Friends, have you ever thought that? Why you want to meet some people again? Why everyone is attracted towards them? If you think that the reason for this is their beauty, wealth, or fame, then you are wrong. The reason for this is their attractive personality. If you feel that your look is average, you don't look good, that's why people are not attracted to you. Then include these 7 habits in your daily routine. These habits not only make you an attractive person, but you also become a kind-hearted and well-mannered person. Friends, before we tell you about these 7 good habits which will make you an attractive person by enhancing your personality, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do it now, so that such amazing videos can reach you. So friends, without any delay, let's begin. Number 1 is, always see yourself in a positive way. If you feel that you are a sick and lazy person, and you can't do anything in your life, then you really won't be able to do anything. But if despite being sick, if you think about yourself that I am absolutely fine, then your body cells will fight against the disease, and you will become a healthy person in real. According to a survey, those people who always think about themselves that I am a failure, I can't do anything, I don't have any ability, or keep saying such negative sentences, then their mind accepts that they can't do anything in real. While those people who think good all the time, who believe in tough conditions, that one day their situation will change, such people are successful in their life. Number 2 is maintaining your consistency even in failure and difficulties. That one thing which affects our life, our actions, and our ability to make decisions the most is our emotions. Many times people do something which they regret for the rest of their life. That's why it is very important for you to control your emotions. Those who know how to control their emotions, their life will always be full of consistency. Keep your emotions aside and start your work, because your anger and sadness may get cured after some time. But till then, you must have wasted your whole day. Number 3 is to be passionate about your dreams. Einstein said that if you want to live a happy life, then don't tie your life to any person or thing, but tie it to your goals and dreams. Goals make your life meaningful. They always give you a reason to be happy. Those who keep their focus on their goals, even in this age of materialism, by saving themselves from false pride and glory and people's power, they really attract others towards them. So, friends, be honest with your dreams from today and work hard to achieve your dreams without caring about anything. Number 4 is always ready to learn new things. Everyone notices such people because people think 100 times before trying anything new. They are afraid that they will have to come out of their comfort zone. That's why they live their whole life as fackers. But those people who welcome new things with an open heart, they learn any new skill very easily. Those who are learning something new in their life, they always get people's respect and attention. Number 5 is emotionally not to depend on anyone. Those who are not afraid of being alone, they enjoy their solitude. Their personality is very attractive. Often people look for someone's shoulder to laugh and someone's shoulder to cry, and ask about their self-worth when they don't get it. And without self-worth, you cannot become an attractive person. It is not anyone's duty to make you happy and take care of your needs, but you will have to fulfill all your needs yourself. It is your responsibility to bring satisfaction in your life. Your parents, your partner, your friends, all of them can help you to an extent. That's why no one likes those who hold someone else responsible for their condition. The world salutes only those who take responsibility for their mistakes and try to improve them. Number 6 is to laugh easily. You must have heard people saying that people take serious people more seriously. But now, science is also believing that people who laugh easily attract others more. If you laugh with someone for some time, then he will start getting closer to you. So sometimes laugh at someone's useless joke. It will make him feel that you are giving him respect, and in return, he will also give you respect. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.